In this video, I will show how to remove grid lines in Microsoft Excel in just one click. So click on page layout and here you will get this option grid lines. Unselect this setting. Now once you try to print, so grid lines will not appear and whole your document will be clean. Like if you have the data, so you can add or remove grid lines, page layout and view or unview. Also guys, once you unselect, so this numbers and alphabet lines will be removed. So thanks for watching.